Guys,
Alden
this
ni Chorley
is back here at Bello Green Hills.
Bello Day ni Alden sa
The reason why
Bello Green
I
Hills.
started young, kahit na wala pang prescription to do with this, siyempre, mahirap na naman na pag dumating yung point na nag-start na yung hair loss. Very dominant kasi yung hair loss when it comes to guys. Usually it starts early 30s to mid-30s. Kita ko yung pagtubo ng mga baby hair dito sa may hairline ko. Nag-fill ng mga bagong hair. And what I like about this treatment kasi, for me, it's painless and at the same time, it uses exosomes. If you want to do something for your hair as early as now, I'm at my early 30s, yung exosomes hair is one of the best treatments you can get here at Bello.
You know?
So, try na.
Yan ang gwapo ni Alden eh. Kasi ito pa yung post ng fans ni Alden. Napadaan siya dyan sa yung mga billboard ni Alden ng Secure at Silent Time dyan sa Eastwood saka sa S-Lex. Naglalaki ang billboard ni Alden. Tapos ito pa yung post ni Nate during Korea kasama ang Alden ng atik. Siyempre si Alden food is life. Ang dami kinain ni Alden dyan Korea. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para ma-update ko ang future reaction vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.